Hi, welcome to SyncHPC Dashboard, a platform by Syncious. In this series, we are going to show you the interface and functionalities of SyncHPC. In this video, let's understand how Fluent Job Submission works in local file uploading. As you can see the SyncHPC login screen here, insert the username and password. After login, click on Jobs and click on Create New Job on the upper right corner. Click on the Fluent and then click New Job. After this, a box will open. As you can see, you will be required to fill the fields of job and application settings with name, format, number of cores, node group, and app version. Then you will see file settings options. There you need to upload the file, as you can see, with 4 options. Here we don't require to upload journal file, so skipping that, we need to first upload an input case file. Click on the upload button and select the file destination path. Select the file and upload. Wait for the file to get upload completely. Then select the next option, input data file, and do the same process to upload the file. Then enter the name for output case file. In the Fluent settings, enter the number of iterations in dimensions. Then submit, and you can see the submitted job on the top. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.